What's going on, YouTube? It's Abari Amphibia here, and I'm here to give you an unboxing for Yoshi and the Mysterious Book on Nintendo Switch 2. There's Yoshi and a bunch of the various creatures that he can study and everything. Anyway, there's the cover. There's the spine. Explore inside a mysterious book full of odd creatures. Meet each creature and learn their quirks. You can carry 'em, toss 'em, and even taste 'em. Fill every page with fresh discoveries. Anyway, let's open this up. Just ignore that noise in the background. Anyway, let's open this up. There's the cartridge. Oh, let's see if there's any artwork on the back. Oh, looks like a page from inside Mr. E, the book that Yoshi and them go inside to explore and study the creatures. That's kind of neat. Anyway, there's the cartridge again. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing of Yoshi and the Mysterious Book. I gotta say, guys, this game is a little interesting in my opinion, like how you study and observe the characters, the creatures in in Mystery and stuff like that. I think it's a really interesting concept considering all the various creatures that exist in the Mario universe, or in the Yoshi side of the Mario universe. I think it's really interesting that we get to observe them and see how they behave. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this game's concept. Anyway, this is Abari Amphibious signing out. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.